to offer this service with our drive.
And what does that do? So if my drive dies, what does that do? Yeah.
So basically what it is if you experience any kind of data loss, it could be for any reason, you drop the drive or you accidentally delete a file. We cover one contact within a 2-year period. So if you contact us, and we'll work with you to recover your data.
Okay, so if I drop it in a lake and I can't get it back, you guys are gonna
we cover any hard drive, any reason at all, any hard drive loss.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's pretty good, because I've done stupid things like that before. And so that covered. So what happens if my drive just dies? I've had that happen before, where I just can't even boot up my machine. What do I do?
So we include instructions in the box, and what you do is you would call our data recovery services phone number. They would discuss what type of loss you have, and then from there they determine whether or not they can do a remote recovery or an in-lab. So what's great is we've actually included a rigid box. So if you did have to return it in our laboratory, the box will be able to protect your drive as you ship it in. And if it's a remote recovery, what they do is they set up an appointment with you, and then you download software and they walk through the recovery process with you on your computer.
Okay, but if the thing can't even boot, I need to send it in. Now previously that's cost like $2,000 to get back the data from a hard drive.
Yeah, so that's what's great about this product is hard drive, when your hard drive fails, it can cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars to get your data back. But we include that within a 2-year period. If something happens, we would recover your data, and we would put it onto a new drive for you and send that back to you.
So how much more does that cost? Do I have to pay $1,000 to buy this drive or something?
It's actually only $20 more than our standard GoFlex drive. So actually with this you're getting the high performance as well as the data recovery services, both for only $20 more.
Very cool. And how do I make sure I get this when I go into Fry's? Because when I go into a computer store now and buy a hard drive, there's like 1,000 drives there, and I get a little confused. What should I look for when I'm looking for this drive?
So it's GoFlex Turbo, and then you see the name up top where it says Safety Net Data Recovery Services.
Okay.
So that's what you'd want to look for. And the first customer that's actually going to be carrying this is Best Buy, so it should be on shelf today.
Today?
Yeah.
Awesome. And does it include backup services? Because you still should back up your drive even if you're getting this.
Oh, definitely.
Because it takes a couple of weeks to. If this thing actually died, it probably would take a couple of weeks for you to mail it in and get your data back, right?
It does include our premium backup software with it, and that has an optional encryption feature as well. So.
Oh, very cool.
Yep.
So hopefully people